dubaiPartials. The dubaiPartials analyst is a very special tab that focuses exclusively on the Dubai partial market. You can see in this case we've turned on the crude partial market. We're looking at a 2011 example back in October. What the Dubai partial tab does is looks at the accrued number of partials that every market participant has, and then also rounds out the number of cumulative cargoes that market participant has acquired in a given month. So let me actually maximize this buyer's chart. You can see that we break it out two ways, both in terms of who's buying partials and who's selling partials, but let's go ahead and maximize this buyer's chart so that you can see a specific example. You can see in this case that there's a blue line up at the top here that is at 19 partials. Well, that's the number of cumulative partials that you have to hit to equal a full cargo. So you can see in this case at the end of October, since this is a full month in our particular query, we can see that at the end of October, JP Morgan had accrued 6 full partials, Hess had bought 6 full partials, and JP Morgan had leftover 12 partials that actually ended up getting financially settled instead of turning into a full cargo. You can also read along the line on the side who exactly they were buying that from. So you can see in this JP Morgan case that 6 of those partials that they had accrued here were from Hess Energy, and the other 12 that they had accrued, so they were basically one short at the end of October from another full cargo, was from the Shell Eastern Trading. What you can see here in red is the total number of cargoes that they actually accrued throughout the month. So you can see that JP Morgan was the most aggressive here. They accrued a total of 3 from Shell International, and they accrued another 1 from Hess Energy. And in this case, Hess Energy had accrued a total of 1 from Shell International, and these leftover partials ended up getting financially settled in that particular case. One thing you should note, one final thing here about the partial view, is that we do break out the colors of the source of the partial. So those familiar with the partial market may well know that you can replace Oman partials with you can replace any other partial with an Oman partial due to the quality of the Oman partial. If we were looking at a particular market where someone was trading not only a Oman partial but maybe a partial from another area, you would see other colors here that would stack up where that partial is from. But since in this case, this particular market, they only traded Oman partials, you only see the green color here for the Oman market.